so excited to be here among our community. It's all about community. This isn't about me really, this wonderful honor. It is about the shoulders that I have stood on to reach this point. And we always stand on the shoulders of others, and we must never forget that. People that helped us, from my teachers and mentors to all you faculty, to the admin of BASI, to you thousands of students. I stand on your shoulders to reach this point. I am representing you. I am a conduit for all of you. And I am so, so proud, humbled by this honor. So thank you all. Thank you to the PMA. This is incredible to be inducted into the Legacy Circle. It is truly a privilege of my lifetime. Keller said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. It gives me such drive and impetus to make a change. And that change doesn't stop just with, the spine, my well-being, but with the well-being of the planet. I'm doing this for BASI, I'm doing this for all of us. This is really our moment. Not my moment, our moment.
This year, we had our first nominated Legacy Circle inductee. So, unlike all of our other recipients, this person was nominated for this incredible honor. Rael Isacowtiz, we honor you today and are pleased to induct you into the PMA Legacy Circle.
Thank you. Being inducted into the PMA Legacy Circle is one of the great honors of my life and certainly a highlight of my career. To stand among the giants of our industry, is a distinct pleasure and honor. The significance of being the first of the second generation to be inducted does not escape me. However, so many of my dear friends, our second gen friends, who I admire and respect, some of you here this evening, some of you are meeting for the first time, some I've known for so many years, you are all equally as deserving. So I accept this for us all. We have shared so much together. As I look around, I reminisce, I talk to my dear Lolita. I remember Lolita, I promise 45 seconds. I remember my dear Lolita helped me bathe my little son when he was 1 year old. And we were looking at this little baby and soaping him down. And he's now in his senior year of aerospace engineering. And,
He's gonna cry.
It's not about the differences we share. It's about that we have a community. We have a family. We have a global family. I mean, screw these differences. We can talk about them. We can agree to disagree whether the feet should be pointed or flexed. Whether we go up on an inhale or an exhale, and we can feel passionately about it. But at the end of the day, You want to sit and shed a tear or two and hug and reminisce about those valuable moments in life that mean so much. It is community that we are building. And to that end, I want to applaud the PMA. Carly, you are a force. This initiative of the Legacy Circle is an amazing initiative. It is an initiative that is a giant leap forward in establishing our industry, in building our community, and in cementing our legacy for generations to come. So I thank you all so sincerely.